talk about picking winners in 2018. How is Rick Rule setting himself up here, reprogramming himself for this brand new year?
Two things.
Okay.
For the investment part of your portfolio, buy the best of the best. Buy the people who have succeeded in the past. Look at the Franco-Nevadas, look at the Randgolds, look at the Agnico Eagles, look at the Silver Wheatons, the Wheaton Precious Metals. Look at the serial outperformers. The expectations for them are low and they're going to blow them away. The second thing is look at the people who have, in the intermediates, look at the people who have very strong cash flow coming into 2018. B2 would be a name as an example. It's going to exceed expectation. And then also look at the fact that for the first time in 20 years, we're coming into an exploration market. Whether or not you believe the Novo Gold story, the fact that the market looked at an advanced exploration play and put in place $1 billion market cap before you had an assay tells you that the market is short enough high quality exploration projects that for the first time since the early part of the decade of the 90s, good explorationists attract the market's attention.
But if you want to see your money really grow, would you say the greatest opportunity then lies with the juniors over the mid-tier and the...
It depends on how hard you want to work as an individual. If you want to work, you absolutely want to be in the juniors. If you can outcompete your peers. Otherwise, if you just want to participate in what will be a very good market, buy the best of the best because they'll do well and you don't have to worry.
So if I were to give Rick Rule now $100,000 cash right now, how would you divide it up?
I'd probably take half your money and I'd buy the best of the best. And I'd probably take the other half and I'd work it very, very hard in speculation. I would ask you to tell me that in the speculative part of your portfolio that you gave me money that you could afford to lose half of if I was wrong.
Okay.
We are coming into a market that I think is going to surprise a lot of people to the upside. And I think it's going to surprise people to the upside both in terms of the best and also the very highest quality juniors. We have a market now that's been consolidating for a very long time, and the stocks have gone from very weak hands, very uncommitted hands, basically Bitcoin speculators,
yes,
to very strong hands. You see people like Ross Beatty writing $20 million checks. You don't make money over 40 years betting against Ross Beatty. So two things are happening. The floats are getting small, and the stock that used to be strong is in strong hands.
Are you tired of this Bitcoin versus gold debate yet? I mean, it's really what was the trend of 2017. Do you think people are going to keep comparing it in 2018 here?
Yeah, I mean, hopefully. The more people that pay attention to stuff that doesn't matter, the better chance some old guy like me has to compete. So the fact that people get distracted by things that don't matter is very, very useful to me. And do I get tired of it? No, I never get tired of durable competitive advantage.
I appreciate your thoughts, Rick Rule. Thank you so much. We'll see you what the new year holds in store. Thanks so much, and thanks for watching our coverage. We'll have more for you on Kitco.com.